Look closely at almost any modern car windshield, and you'll find them, tiny black dots that most of us completely ignore. Even though they have several important jobs, and the surprising part is, their story starts with something you can't even see. To understand the dots, we first need to understand how a windshield is attached to the car. For decades, many cars used rubber seals to hold the glass in place. But modern vehicles increasingly began using a different approach, bonding the windshield directly to the vehicle. A strong urethane adhesive creates the bond between the glass and the vehicle. But that adhesive has one major weakness. Ultraviolet light can degrade it over time. So engineers needed a permanent way to shield the bonding area from the sun. The solution is that thick black band you see around the edge of the windshield. It's called a ceramic frit. It isn't ordinary paint or a sticker. It's a ceramic material processed onto the glass and designed to become a permanent part of the finished windshield. It helps shield the adhesive from UV exposure, hides the bonding material, and provides a suitable surface for the bonding system. But now there's a mystery. Why doesn't that solid black border simply stop at a sharp line? Because the transition between black ceramic and clear glass matters when the windshield is being manufactured. The glass is heated and bent into the curved shape designed for the vehicle, and the black ceramic doesn't respond to that heating exactly like the clear glass around it. So a sharp boundary between the two can create a more abrupt thermal transition. And that matters because glass expands and contracts as its temperature changes. During processing, uneven thermal behavior can contribute to unwanted optical distortion in the finished glass. Imagine looking through a window, where perfectly straight lines appear slightly warped. For a windshield, that's obviously something manufacturers want to minimize. So engineers needed a smoother transition between the black area and the clear glass.
And that's where those tiny dots become important.
Instead of ending the black ceramic abruptly, the pattern gradually fades toward clear glass. Large dots sit near the solid border. Then they become progressively smaller as they approach the transparent part of the windshield. It's essentially a carefully designed gradient between two very different surfaces. But look above your rearview mirror, and you'll often find another cluster of dots. This section has an additional practical purpose. The ceramic pattern provides additional shading around the upper central part of the windshield. So instead of using one huge opaque section, manufacturers can create a gradual shaded region. So what looks like a random collection of black dots is actually a carefully engineered detail. The solid frit helps protect the windshield's bonding area from ultraviolet light. The fading dots create a smoother transition between the ceramic border and clear glass during manufacturing. And the upper pattern can provide extra shading where bright sunlight reaches the windshield. So the next time you notice those little black dots, remember, they're not decoration. They're a tiny piece of engineering hiding in plain sight.